Hey y'all, it's your boy Dark Honest Duh, and today, baby, we coming at you with another tutorial. What it do, boo? What's the tea, Marie? How you doing and how you be? Okay, what it is? No, but what's up? What's up, y'all? It's your boy Dark Honest coming at you live. Ooh, I look so pretty. Ooh, I feel so pretty. So pretty. Yes, y'all. Coming at y'all with new hair. New hair. Trying to turn out some new looks. Ooh, I feel like I haven't done yellow in a while. And I'm just so all by myself. Like I haven't. Ooh. I look so beat, y'all. I'm just so beat. Oh my god. I got the beat. I got the beat. We got the beat. Alright, y'all. If anything, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for Batty and share, because sharing is the only type of caring we like in this household. You dig? Okay, I ain't gonna hold y'all up too long. Let's go ahead and get y'all over to Ricky so he can get y'all started on the assignment, because what? I'm the assignment. He's the instructor. Okay? So let's go ahead and get you over to the classroom. Let's get you onto the classroom. You might have a pop quiz. There we go. That was a little weak. But yeah, let me go ahead and get y'all on over. Y'all go ahead and go. Okay? Y'all go ahead. I gotta take some pictures. I look too cute right now. Hey y'all, what it is, your boy is back. This is the second video so far being back, and I'm ready. So, I know this is going to be disappointing. But I don't have a drink of the video because I haven't had time to go to the liquor store. So, y'all, we're going to be doing this alcohol free, okay? Ain't gonna be too many of these videos. Ain't gonna be too many of these. But let's go ahead and, you know, get into the tea, Marie, okay? So, I decided I wanted to do, like, yellow. That was, like, my whole thing. I wanted to wear maybe, like, a yellow eye with a little brown in it. So, first palette, I'm gonna start out with the IBY Beauty. This is the IBY Beauty Fireside Eyeshadow Palette. This was a palette that I got a long time ago via Ipsy when I used to have the subscription. I'm gonna be using this dark brown called what's your name? Black Ice. As you can see, I use that one a lot. I'm going for like a halo eye. So we're just gonna pat that into the outer V and the inner V of the eye. This is just to add a little Fergalicious definition. Yes, because we want it to be somewhat of a dark, you can say. Somewhat of a dark look, a dark feel. I'm just flicking it inwards. When I'm doing it in the outer V, I'm just flicking it inwards, and then in the outer V, I'm flicking it inwards, and then for the inner V, I'm flicking it inwards. If that makes sense. Well, how y'all been? Topic of the video: host shaming in 2024. Is that even like a thing anymore? I feel like now being a hoe is like so much more accepted than it was like years ago. Like if you know, you know. Like for real. Being a hoe was like not so accepted like years ago. But I feel like now you can get your and nobody has a problem with it nowadays. I feel like if anything, the hookup culture is a lot more prominent in these days. A lot more prominent today than it was years later. People are not hiding the fact that they're hooking up anymore. We're being a little out in the open about it. We don't care about what people think anymore. Well, y'all don't care about what people think. I'm in a relationship. I don't have time for that. So I'm going to take the Essence Keep Me Covered Concealer with Aloe Vera. This is vegan. No added fragrance, silicones, or mineral oils. So yes, purely vegan. I'm going to use that to cut my crease. This has kind of like a little Adofa. I like this tip. Just a tip. I'm going to use that to cut the crease. Because I really want this yellow to pop. I want the yellow to be yellow. I know this is not like me, but I'm doing both eyes on camera. Because what the hell? Why the hell not? Why the hell not? Let me give me a concealer brush. Get this nice concealer brush here. And I'm just going to pat that, put it where I want it to go, and kind of build that halo eye shape that we all know, and also blend it out just a titty bit. Just a titty bit. Yes. Yeah, I feel like nowadays the hookup culture is a lot more the thing. It's what the kids are doing nowadays. The kids are hooking up and they don't care to let us know that they are hooking up. They don't care about it being out there, you know. Nowadays, you know, it used to be when people called you a hoe and you used to be offended, you ready to throw fisticuffs. Now people is wearing it like a badge now. So I'm gonna use the Violet Voss Bright Vibes palette, and I am going to dip into the color Neon here, which is this green. Not green. Yellow. I'm gonna use that yellow. Let me get like a brush. Yeah, I need to clean my brushes. Like, it's not even a joke. I really need to clean my brushes. Like, really need to clean my brushes. Like, this is, I really need to clean my brushes. We're not gonna talk about me though. We're not gonna do that. Not on this channel. Not on this channel. Okay. If we not hoe shaming, then we damn sure don't need to be makeup shaming. I'm just gonna take that yellow. I'm gonna pack it into the brush. I'm really swirling it on there. And I'm just going to just press it where I want it to go. And then also kind of blending the edges as I do it. Right. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Bam. See how that yellow is yellowing? The yellow is yellowing. Have you ever been yellowed up? Have you ever been in a time of yellowing? Yes. That yellow is here, it's queer, and it's clocked in, okay? That's why we put that concealer down, so that she can really be prominent. Yes, that's that. I like how that looks so far. And now I'm gonna go in with the Revolution X. This is the Grinch palette. This is from Christmas. I'm going to dip into what is called His Heart Grew, which is a white shimmer. We're gonna dip into that one, and I'm gonna put that in the center of the eye. In the very center. In the very center. And I'm using kind of like a small fluffy brush to do that. I know I'm not telling y'all what type of brush I'm using. Who am I? Oh, that's Oh, I thought it was white. Oh yeah. You see that? It is white. I'm tripping. Oh yeah. Ah yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah yeah yeah. Yeah 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 yeah. Yeah yeah. Yeah 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 yeah. Va va boo. Yes, honey. Yes. I'm loving this eye so far. Yes. It's kind of giving like it's giving a little Jessica Rabbit on the low. That's pretty much the eye, y'all. I'm just gonna go in with a cold liner. So I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty. This is the Fly Pencil Longwear Pencil Eyeliner in the color Cause I'm Black, and I'm gonna use that in my waterline. I'm gonna warm it up on the back of my hand first, and then put that in my waterline. Right. You gotta get quiet when you're doing this part. And I'm gonna kind of blend it down just a little. Smudge it down just a little. Bam. And then last, I'm just gonna add a little liner to the top part. And I'm gonna go in with my NYX Epic Wear Waterproof Eye and Body Liquid Liner. I'm gonna do that off camera. And then we're gonna come back and get into the final reveal, okay? Okay, y'all. So don't keep Dr. Hunnis waiting, because he's gonna be the one to greet you. Not I. Not I, says the cat. So y'all go ahead and go. Go on now. Go! Dang! What is you waiting on? You want to see me mess up my liner that bad? Like, no, don't do that. Don't do that. Go ahead, go. Go! Play too much. Shoot. Let me stop. Let me stop, y'all. I'm really feeling myself. I am just too beat right now. I really hope you guys is enjoying the content that I'm putting out here into the YouTubeverse. I hope it's giving what it needs to give on the day that it was given, because I always try to give you something that you can feel. You dig? And that's the what? That's the T, Marie. Okay? Okay, y'all. Look, I am so geeked up right now because, look, I just love how this look turned out. I'm about to go make so many TikToks. Like, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm about to go make so many TikToks, y'all. But if anything, thank you guys for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for Addy, and share. Because sharing is caring, and that's the only type of caring we like in this household. You dig? And y'all, I never mentioned this in my videos, but don't forget to hit that little ding ding ding, that little notification bell, so that you can be notified every time your boy posts a video. Sometimes I post tutorials. I also post nails. I also post funny short videos as well for my TikTok. So you'll get a notification every time your boy posts something, okay? Okay. Anyways, I got stuff to do. Look, I'm looking pretty. I'm feeling pretty. I got some TikToks to make, y'all. TikTok gonna have to see me. TikTok gonna have to see me. TikTok gonna have to see me. Okay? Yeah, I feel pretty, ma-city, ma-diddy, titty, ma-shritty, fifity, 5 mile, ba-ba, ba-dooba, dooba. Okay, let me stop, y'all. Let me stop before I really get into it. But I get into it, y'all. I get into it, y'all. Okay, let me go. Until next time, my darker hunties. Peace.